I'm Kelly from KellyMath.
If you're tackling the SSAT Upper Math, you need to know this one shortcut. It turns a complex inequality problem into a simple rule, guaranteeing you get the right answer in seconds. Let's dive in. This question shows an inequality and asks which answer choice could be the value of x. We could solve the inequality and then see which answer choice fits. There's only one rule that makes solving an inequality different from solving an equation. If we multiply or divide by a negative number, we switch the direction of the sign. But there's a fraction that might take some extra time to work with, and the fact that we're asked what could be the answer is actually key to the shortcut of this problem. All we need to know is whether x will be less than or greater than the solution to the inequality. Let's ignore everything other than the x and the inequality sign for a moment. That gives us x is greater than. Now we look at the other information in the inequality. When solving this, will the sign switch? We're not going to multiply or divide by a negative number, so no. The final inequality will also read x is greater than a number. Let's draw a quick number line to graph the inequality. The SSAT gives numeric answer choices in order from least to greatest, or sometimes from greatest to least. We don't need to be exact in our placement of these, just putting them in order is good enough. The graph of x is greater than a number will have an open circle at the number, then a bolded line and arrow to the right, like this, showing that x could be any number on the bolded part of the line. If x was greater than -5, for example, we'd have -5 here, we'd have a circle here, and then this whole part of the line would be bolded. That would show us that any of the 5 answer choices could be correct. But we know that there's only one right answer. If the answer was, say, -4, then we'd have a circle at -4, and we'd have 4 possible right answers. See where I'm going with this? If the solution was anything smaller than answer D, -0.5, the question would have more than one answer. We know that there's only one right answer, so it has to be the answer that's all the way to the right on the number line. The solution to the inequality would have to be somewhere between -1/4 and -0.5 in order for us to only have one answer. That means all we need to do is choose the largest answer. In this case, it's E, -1/4. If solving the inequality would give us x is less than a number, we would choose the smallest answer, because then the arrow would be pointing to the left.
Mastering the SSAT is all about learning the game. If you're ready to stop memorizing and start winning, let's talk. Go to KellyMath.com and book your free intro consult to get your personalized game plan today.